Okay, we have 2017 350M toy hauler. The camper suits our needs good with the toy hauler portion for the dogs to stay in, to put our toys in. Like the big front bedroom, and the kitchen's good size and all that good stuff.
The toy hauler is also good use for us because we have kids that travel with us, older kids, and they use the toy hauler as a bedroom, and we can shut them off and they have their own area.
We chose Grand Design because of the rumor of the excellent customer service, which we have firsthand witnessed. It is very good customer service. They've always taken care of us when we've called with any issues, problems, sending us parts to help us fix stuff, and no complaints overall.
Just that we've had to reach out to Emily Staley, and she's always gotten right back to us, has overnighted us parts if we needed it, and even at the rally, we were really impressed at how we had technicians here and coming around to fix things and helping us out with anything we need.